Chris Orsini here, and today I wanted to real quickly show you how to get started in the MegaCamp platform. So when you first get in here, it's going to have you start setting up your profile. But if you're like me, you might poke around a little bit, leave the page, come back, and end up back here and not be sure where to go to finish setting up your profile. So this is the home screen for MegaCamp, and to get here is just megacamp2020.com. So you're going to have all the information in your email for logging in. If you are having difficulty finding it, you can search Gmail for any emails from, and with Gmail you can use the code from:events@kw.com, and that should help you find that email. So if you're like me and you need to find that profile set up again, you can click on this icon up at the top left, and this is where you're going to get some notifications and see like-minded individuals, but we can also go through the onboarding process here. So we can click on onboarding process, and we can come in here and make any adjustments at any time. So we can upload a profile picture or sync with our LinkedIn and get our profile photo there and do some adjustments if we want. We also want to update this information here to make sure it's as accurate as possible. We then click Save and Continue and move on to step 2. And this is where we're going to turn on or off any of these notifications. You want to turn on Make My Profile Public in order to network with people better. And activities is notifications here is pretty cool. It'll show you, you'll get a little Chrome notification up in the corner when something happens, and then we'll save and continue from there. We'll move on to step 3, and this is where we're just going to verify, as you can see, our webcam and mic settings right here. Now make sure you have the appropriate one set up. Now it'll generally go to default, and I like to make sure I switch that exactly to the one I want, just in case something happens on my computer where it wants to default to something else. Keep in mind too, I've noticed I like to use a browser called Sidekick. It's Chromium based, so it works with most of the things, but for whatever reason I was getting some choppiness, so like there was a lag, it wasn't working well. So I switched over to Chrome, and as you can see, it's working perfectly smooth. And then we'll say yes, my video and audio look good and sound good, and click Continue. And now we will put in some information about our work experience. Now this is going to help you network with other people, like-minded people, and those with similar experience. So you'd want to go through here and make this as accurate as possible. So like here on Market Center Leadership, I've closed this. Let's see, third party, and I'm going to say command. And then we can add multiple networks or CRMs if we want. And then we'll click Generate Network, and this will bring us to like-minded individuals that we can view their profile or contact them. And it's great, there's a chat feature right in here, and we can chat with these people and just scroll through and see who we'd like to connect with. So that's how you get started. From here, you can just jump out, you can go home. I recommend you watch this video up here with Jay Papazan introducing you to the platform, and then just poke around, get familiar with things. After you watch this video, definitely take a look at the agenda and start clicking the hearts for the things that you want to attend so they end up in your agenda. So if you look on the left here, we have the full agenda, which is everything available, and then we have my agenda, which is the things that I have hearted here and decided that I want to go to. We also have the social feed here where we can go through and start poking around and having some fun and meeting other people. So go guys, thank you so much for watching this, and poke around in here, get familiar with it, have some fun. This is going to be a great experience. If you have any other questions, please comment on the video or reach out to me, OrsiniChris@kw.com. And if you'd like to see more tech videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, Chris Orsini Tech Trainer, or follow me on KW Connect.